What's up, everybody? We are back with a weekly review of the Human Made drops. I know I had took off the previous season because it confused me when it started, but now I know when the new season starts for 2023 spring summer. So we're gonna go over the first week. It's pretty light. They dropped some dope stuff. Caught one thing, took an L on the other, and I'll talk about the one I took an L on. But we are back. Weekly recaps. Finna start dropping these every single week for y'all. So prepare yourselves for that content again. I've just dropped back-to-back videos. So I'm just blessing y'all this week. So hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe down below. My upload schedule may end up changing because my work schedule just changed. So I'll let y'all know when I have a concrete idea when my actual upload gonna be. Instead of Sundays, it's gonna be a different day probably. So stay tuned for that. I'll let y'all know as soon as possible. But with that being said, we're gonna get to the week 1 review of Human Made 2023 spring summer. Well, 2022 spring summer. I think I said 2023 before, but 2022 spring summer. Let's get into it. All right, so first item that we got on the list, we got a 3-pack, a t-shirt 3-pack with the hearts at the bottom left hand of the T. We got a white, we got a red, blue, and black heart. 3-pack, not bad. 5,500 yen. I may have to cop this just to have some essential tees on hand. So this may be something I have to cop. So next, we got the pizza hoodie. We got this in a heather gray. We got this in a black and yellow. I'll probably go to heather gray because I don't know, there's something about heather gray colorway I like a lot. The black is straight. The yellow I like more than the black. I know that sounds weird, but I prefer the yellow hoodie or the black, so I have to go gray, yellow, then black. So pizza hoodie's on point. Let's get more into it. They get some close-ups. So it's like a basic screen print on. And one thing I do like about the Human Made hoodies is like the sides. Like on the sides of it has like some extra stitching on the side. I don't know. Yeah, you have to see it to understand, but it gives like a little bit more width with the hoodie instead of it's not too tight on you, but it's just right. But I really like how they have the cut on these hoodies a lot compared to normal hoodies. Because on the seams, we got like 2 seams on the side of it. We got one right here and one on the back side. So it gives like a little bit more of a boxier fit. But I like this hoodie a lot, like the way Nigo go with his hoodies. And I got an idea of some things that I want to do for my hoodies for Temple, but this is like later down the road. Then get it, because I already got a hoodie that I already like to wear a lot, which is in the back behind me. So next, we got the sweats to go with the hoodie as well, but we don't have it in the yellow. We only have it in the sports heather gray and the black. The black sold out, but we still have some grays in stock in all sizes. Yep. Sold out in the blacks. All the black sweatpants are sold out. So hey, get the gravy and get the black. So next we got the monthly bandana of January. So we got this from red, white, and black. I normally pass on these bandanas because I still don't know how I'm gonna style these yet. So I'm holding off on the bandanas until I can find a way that I actually want to put it together, like as a fit, as a whole fit, not just a basic one and done type of fit. So I passed on this. I really didn't pass on this. About the time I seen this, it was already sold out, and I didn't even think they was gonna like drop early for this, like on the 1st of January. So it kind of threw me off a little bit. So I kind of missed out on a few things that came up and already sold out. But I did cop a few other things in the process. What else we got? Also, this double wall glass. So it's like a cup inside of a cup, but it's all in one, as you can see right here. I missed out on this one because this was sold. I think this was the first thing that sold out on the website, and I wish I kind of got this because it's like it would be a like perfect like piece to put next to my other glasses that I got from Human Made. But took an L. It's cool. It's whatever. Ain't stressing because we got a long way for this season to start. We got a lot of stuff to see. A lot of things gonna be dropping. So I'll take an L on this, but I'm sure I'll rebound later. Next, so this will have a look if you had filled it up. So it's like a cup inside of a cup, but it's all one cup, if that makes sense, as you can see. But I really do like this cup and the way they did it. I hope they come out with some more like different designs of this, but I want to see more of some other animals that you have for this brand. So that is it for that. And as we hop over to the Instagram page, because this jacket right here sold out and it's not even on the website no more. And this is one of the jackets that I talked about in my lookbook video. I like this jacket, but I just hate what they did to the back of it because, as you can see, it's screen printed on instead of stitched on. And then you'll see why I really kind of upset why they did this, because you'll see later on in this jacket, when I'm about to go to the next slide, why I wish they would have just did this to the back of the jacket like they did to the front. So we got this in like an olive army green colorway as well, with tanning hits around it, right, with a tan hit around it. I prefer this green colorway over the navy blue. But on the front side, they got patches on this. Like, I wish they would have did this with the back side. If not patch this on, then just embroider the whole thing on here. Like, because I feel like if you just embroider the back, it'll make more sense on the pricing. And plus, embroidery lasts longer and it looks better overall. But I really do like this jacket a lot. But this shit is not cheap, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this jacket is not cheap at all. But this is a dope bomber jacket. This is something I can see like some future, like the Space Force will be like wearing. If they ever had like your own jackets, I prefer Nigo to make them jackets because they look dope as hell. Because I already get like that NASA vibe with the stars in the back, with the ring going around the draw as if this is a planet. So I just think it's really dope. And yeah, I wish, like, again, I wish the backside had the stitched on tiger. Look at this. These patches are on point, man. But they screen printed this on as well. I like this. The design of the duck. You know, I just said I'm gonna tie this in the duck, but I like how they incorporated it on here. Get like a different style and aesthetic to it as well. I also got the human made heart on the button and the human made logo on the button. Also, if you order anything over 5,000 yen, you would get this in your package. And I have copped the hats. I'll show y'all that in a minute. The ones that I copped. So if you order anything over 5,000 yen, you will be getting this in your package. I got two of them downstairs, I believe, a white and a blue, and I had an extra that I had sold for like $50, so I made a good lick off of this. Also, the hats, I caught the bulldog hat, and I had skipped on everything else. Hopefully we can get more into it. All right, so this is the bulldog hat. This looked like a dark, either like a really dark blue or a black, from what I can tell. It says Thorn Cowboy and Human Made on it with the bulldog. Fuck with it. So this is the only hat that I caught from all the others. So here's the other hats. I like this one. I like that red with the polar bear. And I like this tan with the tiger, but I prefer the bulldog over all these. Yeah, I prefer the bulldog over all these. Also, I took another L. I will explain this. I took an L on this and I'm pissed off. So if anybody see this video, if you have an extra one of these, I would gladly buy it from you. Because last night I swore I hit checkout and I checked out and I thought I got the notification on my phone said I copped it, but I didn't. I don't know what happened, but I swore I copped it, but I didn't. So I went back to the website today to see if I copped it. I checked my list of stuff that I had bought recently, and this wasn't on the list. So when I had went back to the damn page for this specific item, it sold out. So yeah, I took an L on this. I wish I was able to cop it because I want to add it to the my collection, like little lookbooks that I'm getting for Human Made, so I can have it on my coffee table. When people come over, they can just like flip through it and look at the stuff in it. So if anybody have an extra one of these, please hit me up. I will buy from you ASAP because I really, really, really want this. Even with the duck, I would really like this. Don't try to, like, I know you got a resale, but give me a reasonable price on these. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.